Okay, so first we're going to start with freshly washed hair. And I'm just assessing her hair right now. It is detangled, even though it does not look like it. And I'm going to go in with the Green Tea by TGIN leave-in conditioner. So I know with having type 4 hair, it's extremely hard to have much more of nice, sleeker looks. And you have to take extra steps. So my first thing that I would recommend is making sure that you wet your hair really good. Make sure that your hair is detangled, because trying to style type 4 hair and your hair is not fully detangled could be a little bit hard on you and on your hair as well, which leads to breakage, and we don't want that. So her hair is already detangled, as you can see, and this leave-in conditioner is helping it even more. And I'm just using the comb to get out the little small kinks that she did have left, and it helps me to smooth her hair, well, the perimeter of her hair a little bit more, so her hair can lay flatter whenever it's time to put her hair in a sleek puff. So whenever I style Israel's hair, I make sure that I pay special attention to the perimeter as well as the inside of her hair, which is why I'm going to go in with this Carrot Grow Oil Moisturizer. I love this for her hair because it leaves her hair super shiny and moisturized without having that dry look. Another thing with type 4 hair, I know that whenever you first style your hair and you put lots of moisturizer in your hair and your hair is super soft and super shiny, the next day or the day after it just looks completely dry. And I totally get it, because sometimes I do have those problems with Israel. But I've learned a good technique for her hair. Whenever styling her hair wet, I do pay attention to add more oils than cream moisturizers. I feel like cream moisturizers could be a little bit much more drying to her hair. So something that's a little bit oilier will help her hair out a whole lot as far as keeping shine and keeping it moisturized. So as you can see, I'm using a little bit of the Extreme Wetline Gel around the perimeter of her hair. That's one thing that I can say that really helped this look a lot, is that, okay, to put a treatment on her scalp while her hair is going to be in this high puff, I like to go in with the pine tar. And what you do is you take it, you place it on your scalp, massage it into your scalp, and don't do anything to your head for the next week or so. Specifically in the directions, it says apply to the scalp and don't wash your hair out for 3 days. So this style on her will last her up to 2 or 3 days already, and I do tie it up at night, or I put one of my slap caps on her hair. So as you can see, I'm using the brush to smooth her hair down, and keep in mind her hair is wet, and I'm using a gel-based styler to lay her hair down. I'm not going to be using any type of edge control or anything like that. And I know some parents may be a little bit cringy when they see me use a gel in her hair, and I totally get it. But this gel does not give a hard setup. It's really soft, and I really like it for her hair. It doesn't flake in her hair or anything like that, and it lays it down quite nicely. You know, and taking a good boar bristle brush to lay the hair down even further will help out a whole lot too. If you would like to see a video on when I style Israel's hair in a high puff but without it being wet, just old hair, then leave a comment below letting me know. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you are liking it so far. All in all, as you can see, the look came out totally good. I absolutely love the way her hair is sleek and laid back. And for her baby hairs, I only used my hand with a little bit of the gel left over, and I kind of laid them down with my hand. So her hair is shiny, it is soft. I did not define her puff, I just wanted to have that natural puff. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below letting me know what you want to see in the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.